Who can help us sell or license an aircraft-related patent? My father's patent expires in 5 years, and major companies aren't interested or are using the idea without credit. So maybe they're infringing. If you have experience or connections, please reach out. So they did commercializing patents. It's a game that we're Bold is just entering into. We've got a couple different experts doing that. I'm stepping in as well. There's two main facets, I should say, of post-grant patent side. There's proactive, where you go try to sell and pitch to sell your invention or license it and get someone else to take a risk on it. Or there's also enforcement, and that's identifying infringers. And I think that's what the second part of this question is asking. Maybe they're using it without credit, or there's some infringement happening. And to look a little further there, that may be the way to go, especially if it's kind of toward the end of its life. There may already be some damages there if it's truly being infringed. You've got to get with an attorney to analyze the claims. You can't just go with your gut or with your emotions. A lot of even inventors, will get a bit confused with what exactly they own. With the patent rights, it isn't the pictures, not the written description. It's the numbered set of claims. And those claims are word by word important in terms of their scope. And so having that look at if there is potential infringement, doing what's called a claim chart, and then presenting that if it does show infringement on each element, take it to a patent litigator, and they can maybe move forward and work with them, maybe find a way to settle, and you can have a win-win where you get a royalty or maybe a lump sum to avoid having to have a drag out trial and pay the attorneys all the money. You can find a way to monetize your father's invention. To me, that's kind of my hunch based on the limited information I have here, but please do reach out. We'd be happy to help you. We would help get this moved forward. And I know that's different than trademarks, right? Trademarks is kind of the whole company, right? I mean, have you seen aspects of trademarks get licensed apart from all-out sale, or is it?
Yeah, certainly license aspects of the trademark, and that's one of the main reasons why at our firm we choose specifically to file trademarks separately as opposed to multiple class applications. There's some good reasons to do that, but licensing is one of those reasons. You can very easily just peel off one of the registrations, one class, and make that your license.
Oh, that's cool, actually. I hadn't thought of that. So you got 5 different classes: apparel, consulting,
I have a lot of clients who have,
design. Yeah.
Like working with a coffee franchise or yesterday, and they're going to be in 6 different classes, which is pretty standard for that field. It's a lot for a franchise, but yeah, I think at the end of the day, it makes sense.